Imagine waking up to a world engulfed in white, where the very air is heavy with snow. In March 1888, the Great Blizzard struck the Northeast, catching everyone off guard. Winds reached 60 miles per hour, and snow piled up to 50 inches in just 2 days. New York City was paralyzed, streets became ghost towns, and communication lines collapsed. Trains were buried, stranding thousands. This catastrophe led to significant changes in urban planning and transportation. The chaos prompted cities to invest in better infrastructure, including underground transportation and improved weather forecasting. The blizzard of 1888 wasn't just a storm. It reshaped an entire region's approach to travel and safety.